Hi everybody. Today's project is a heart-shaped bird feeder, and I already have an example one made, so I'll turn it around so you can see. All right, so it's a piece of cardstock or cardboard. I cut it into a heart shape. Okay. I use some peanut butter and then some bird seed on top with a little bit of yarn. Okay, so you will need birdseed, some cardstock or cardboard, like I said, a little bit of yarn or string, a pair of scissors, some kind of nut butter. I'm using peanut butter, and that's it. Oh, and actually a spoon, right? 'Cause that's how we're going to smooth on the peanut butter. All right, so I've already cut out my heart shape on the cardstock. I poked a hole at the top and I put in my piece of string. This is how I'm going to hang the bird feeder. So now I'm going to put some peanut butter on the spoon and smooth it on. So I use the back of my spoon like that. And then I'm just going to carefully smooth it on so that it's all the way to the edges of the heart. And it's like painting with nut butter, except you're using a spoon. And you want to make sure that the nut butter is thick enough so that the seeds will stick. If you do a really thin amount of peanut butter, like that right there on the edge, the seeds won't stick very well. And of course, you know, a generous amount of nut butter the birds will appreciate too, because that they like to eat that. So they don't mind more nut butter. So do around where my string is. Turn it around. So you can make like a whole bunch of these because they're so small and hang them, like figure out some kind of a design to hang them in, like on a tree. And there. Alright, so there's my peanut butter. And when you sprinkle the birdseed on, you can either pour all the birdseed into a plate and then turn your heart like face down so that all the seed sticks at once. But I like to sprinkle it on. It's just something about it that like I'm doing something special for the birds. Make sure I get all on the edges. Right, then you can use your finger to like press down to make sure all the seeds are sticking. More. A little bit. I'm going all around the edges with my finger. If you're feeling some sticky areas, just add some more seed because that's where there's peanut butter sticking through, so why not put more seeds on? Because they'll definitely stick. All right. So now I'm going to carefully pick it up. Some seeds will fall off, and that's completely fine. And I tap the back of the heart with my finger a little bit, just to make sure all the loose ones come off. Because when I'm carrying this to where I'm going to hang it, I don't want too many seeds to fall off. I want most of them to stay on, right? All right. So there is my heart-shaped bird feeder. Now you can do other shapes besides a heart. That's completely fine. It'll definitely work. Okay, so have fun with this, and I'll see you in the next video.